Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by preparing a correctly sized image and a stable link to the T800 Ultra. Use a 400 x 400 PNG or JPG under 2 MB because the watch scales exactly to that pixel grid. Otherwise, the image crops. Once you've paired via Bluetooth or connected with USB, open the companion app on your phone or PC. Make sure transfers are allowed in watch settings. Now locate your image in the app and select Upload or Send. This begins the Wallpaper import process. Next, upload and apply the image from within the companion app so the watch handles format conversion. Select Wallpaper, then Upload, and crop to the circular 400 x 400 frame. This ensures key content remains centered. Transfer will display progress. Do not disconnect or close the app while it runs. Once the file arrives, preview it on the watch. Adjust brightness and scale if the app offers controls. Doing this prevents wasted transfers and guarantees a clean, properly centered face. Finally, apply the wallpaper on the T800 Ultra and confirm it's saved to the watch faces list. This makes it persistent after sleep or restart. If the image looks blurred or pixelated, re-export it as a PNG, avoid aggressive compression, and re-upload. Compression loses detail. If the transfer fails, reboot both devices, re-enable Bluetooth or reconnect USB, then retry. If it still fails, clear the app cache and repeat the upload. That resolves most corrupt transfer issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.